Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact First Citizen Bank customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar typed on firstcitizenbank.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, in the top right corner there's the support icon, select that. And over here you can scroll a bit down over here. You can find the frequently asked questions. You can simply select any of this icon here if you have any queries about it. And select learn more. And after that, you need to proceed to it. Scroll a bit down here. You can simply open it and you can find the instructions here. Or you can scroll a bit down again. If you still have question, you can select this call us icon here. And over here, you can find this personal, business, commercial numbers here. What you need to do is you need to simply select each one wise and you need to open it. And you can find these details Monday to Friday, this number for the commercial advantage customer service or customer service outside the United States here. And over here, you can simply reach out this number for the issue and they will help you out. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.